My name is Rajan, Narayan. I look after the BPC business, BPC Banking Technologies. I'm the Managing Director for BPC Banking Technologies based here in Singapore for Asia Pacific. BPC Banking Technologies, we are the end-to-end solutions provider using our flagship product, Smart Vista, for end-to-end payment solution. Transformational type of activity that the organizations, financial organizations are embarking on. See, for many years, they all had some sort of legacy-based systems and all of that. But now, in terms of transformation, what it means is that they want to offer much more value-added solutions. So there is a lot of hype on mobile payments and say digitization and all of that. But the real issue is actually is adoption from the client point of view. To have anything being adopted, you need to create a value proposition and also the right type of what I call it, being able to use not just for a short period of time, but being able to use that facility or feature or services like mobile payments and digital banking and all of that. The customers of the banks and the merchants in the payment or retailers in the payment within the payments ecosystem, they need to be able to see the real benefits. There got to be some educational stuff and all those sort of things. Because there's a lot of technology, there's new hardware, software and all of that. So the merchants need to be aware of all that as well. So the most influential aspect is, to me, is everything to do with transformation. So how do you go and offer these services that will be value proposition and it will be there for long term and all that? So we recognize that, and what we are doing through our R&D center and product development, we have embarked on what we call it next generation type of software. We are bringing greater flexibility in usage of our software, and for the organizations, banks and bank staff, the business people and operational team should be able to come up with new products and being able to offer new products at faster time to market and being able to do it without the need to go and do major modification and changes and all that. So what we are doing is we are positioning ourselves to be replacing these legacy systems that they have, and it's not like a one-to-one replacement, but it's actually allowing them to replace, but at the same time being then ride that wave of transformation. Right. Good question. So you see, one of the things we have done is that we have a single platform, single application to be able to issue all types of cards. So if you look at in a bank as an issuer, right? So they want to issue credit card, debit card, prepaid card, all types of prepaid card like travel card, or virtual prepaid card, or prepaid card is a closed loop in the department stores associated with loyalties and all of that, NFC card as well as some sort of mobile wallet, e-wallet, digital wallets and things like that. The whole point is that what we have done as BPC is that all of that solution, all of those types of cards are available within a single application, within that same database. So if your bank looks at you as a customer, right? We'll say, all right, so if Mr. and Mrs. Jones is a customer, they look at Mr. and Mrs. Jones. They don't look at the card, a card number and all that. So they align and they associate all of that with this customer. So this customer can have a credit card, debit card, can have a prepaid card, can have NFC, but that's how it is. So that's what we call it seamless.
Right, seamless customer experience.
That's right, seamless. So it's an enhanced customer experience. It is customer experience based on behavior. It is customer experience based on simplicity and convenience and security as well. So it's all those are seamless benefits. Yes. And then we have a totally integrated, seamless acquiring solution to support that issuing, where they can leverage of that whether it's e-commerce, whether it is mobile payments or traditional channels, Smart Vista, which is a product, and this is how BPC we are able to provide our customers, the banks, the retailers, the processors, natural switches, be able to deploy that. So if as a bank you're looking for a solution, we are able to provide you with that very easily and be able to take you through a journey of migration and position you to that level. So Smart Vista is one of the best products to do that right now. This is what I call is a premier event in the Asia Pacific region when it comes to payments or seamless payments. There are lots of things are happening, but it's good to be associated with Terrapin and Seamless, and we continue to support this, and you continue to support us. So this is a very big boost that we have taken this time, and we have lots of people, and we are seeing some good positive leads being generated. So that's the whole idea for us, is to generate leads and also to meet our customers, prospects, partners, people around. So we do all these sort of things.